Hello guys, this is Salim Awasi signing in after quite long. Yes, today we have planned to uh, hike the track of one of the tracks of Margla Hills, and it is basically between Dino Valley and phareela Rest House. So here I am in Nila Bhoton forest. It looks that I'm solo, but it's not like that. My group has left earlier because I was a bit late and they're half an hour ahead of me. So I got to catch them. Yeah, so I will inshallah. And there are others, I think, who plan to run on this track, but I think due to rain their program got cancelled or something else. So here I am reporting from Nila Bhoton forest. If this track would have been dry, I might have run, but I don't want to take any chances because it's muddy, it could be slippery, and then one can fall. And if you're alone and you fell, that's a bit tricky. Yeah. So there are clouds in this forest. Yeah, it seems a bit creepy as I'm entering the dense area, but what can one do? I have to continue. Okay. The weather is very nice. It's early morning. I left home at 6 and reached Dino Valley at around 6:45 or 6:50. Then I prepared and started my hike because my group had already left. They were parked there. I saw their vehicles and I also parked out there and then started this hike. We came here, I think, 1.5 years back or 2 years back when I hiked with a large group from Dino Valley till Ghoda Gali Mari, and that track was supposed to be 40 kilometers, but it came out to be around 35-36 kilometers, and we hiked that track. It was uh, late, you can say, summer or early autumn, and the days were not that long, and we started the hike early. By early I mean that I think that hike was started around 6:30 from Dino Valley, and we reached Ghoda Gali in the evening. So that was quite tough hike, around 35-36 kilometers. Okay, so this is Nila Bhoton forest. One of our colleagues always calls this place's name. He likes, in fact, this Nila Bhoton place. It is quite attractive and quite good, you know. Okay, so there's some patch over here which has some stones and some, you can say, a path which is a bit hard. So I'm going to try to run and catch my other people. So we'll catch up with you guys again. So this is Nila Bhoton village. Oh, sorry, this is Nila Bhoton jungle. Yeah, village is over there. It's around 3-4 kilometers away from here.